Sabi ko nga, kung meron man silang breakthrough data compression algorithms in the 1970s, mga advanced compression algorithms talaga, malamang, mas probably, kasama rin nila ako dyan. Kasi mga Princeton, NASA, scientists, Harvard, those from MIT, NASA and ESA, scientists. Nandiyan na rin yung Silicon Valley team. Dahil ang iba dyan, mga lolo ko rin, mga tiyuhin ko, kamag-anak ko, sa Silicon Valley TV series. Mga kamag-anak ko, mga naging kamag-anak ko na, kapag-asawa na ng mga kamag-anak ko. Due to intermarriages ng clans and families. So kung meron mang breakthrough data compression algorithms that time, mas probably nandiyan din kasama nila ako, alam ko din. Pero highly classified, top secret nga yan noon Mabilisan lang yan. And then pag nakita yung proofs na it really compressed and fully decompressed and very fast. Very high compression ratios attained. Ang algorithm na yan, advanced algorithm, data compression algorithm discovered sandali papakita sa mga science, makikita, and then tatago na yun sa archives, fully encrypted, na secure vault, software vault na tinatawag, and then sa actual vault talaga, yung storage device, data storage device, computer storage device. Then idadali na yan sa NASA o sa ESA, sa NSA, National Security Agency databases or stations nila that time. But in 2006 nga, or 2007 to 2008, bago talaga yung mga breakthrough data compression algorithms ko na yun. Talagang bago. So, email ko yung mga breakthrough compression algorithms ko na with source code. Sa mga unang emails, mayroong compressed file na nandun ang source codes and mga binary Excel files ko na compiled. Let's say mga 70+% pa lang yun ang data compression ratios nun. Already better yun than zip compression at that time. And mabilis na rin yun. With my degree of quality of programming that time and in C programming language, and wasn't an expert, I wasn't even an actual computer program professional, computer programmer and professional software developer. Mabilis na yun, let's say mga 70+% yung compression ratio. Better than zip compression. That time, kahit nga ngayon, yung default ng Z standard, pare-pare pa rin, GZIP, like GZIP, mga nandiyan sila sa 65 to 67% data compression ratios. Ganun pa rin, pero ang bilis nga ng Z standard. Dahil may parallel or multi-threaded programming. May hyper-threading, multi-threading. Which I remember which I stated also in my emails about parallel programming, multi-threading, and hyper-threading. The terminology hyper-threading, sabi ko. In-email ko sabi ko, yan yung pinaka-terminology namin, hyper-threading. Na naisip namin that time, late 70s. Using logical processors. Kaya yung mga programs ko na yun, na unang dala ko na emails, siyempre, ma-optimize pa yung mga professional programmers, C experts. Hindi lang yung algorithm itself, ma-optimize nila ng mga scientists because they're the ones who are experts in programming and computer, the algorithms development. And ma-optimize nila yung pinaka-speed mismo. Yung pinaka-source code ko mismo, meron silang optimizer, sabi ko, na sa compiler lang nila, choice of compiler, then compiling parameters, mas mabilis pa sa compressed output ko, mas probably. And then, pinaka-algorithm mismo, na-improve na yun, ma-optimize nila mga computer scientists ng NASA, mga pinagdala ko, NASA, Microsoft, Google, IBM, Intel, and others, and even yan. So habang pinadala ko, natanggap nila yon, it's probable na improve na nila, na-optimize na nila yung compression algorithms ko na yun. And ako naman, for the following days, tuloy-tuloy lang sa pag-improve ng mga data compression algorithms ko na yun. Meron din ako sarili. Yun, ini-email send ko ulit. Which could be better than theirs. And their improvements. Who knows, sabi ko. And then, ang dami ko ng breakthrough compression algorithms nga. Mga 4 to 5 or maybe distinct algorithms nga. Hanggang yun na nga yun, hash data compression, hash-based, hash data compression. Which is about random functions used. Also used in encryption and data encryption and cryptography. Pagka may breakthrough data compression algorithm nga, it's about entropy, information entropy. It's also related to data compression, data encryption, cryptography, decryption, cracking and breaking codes. Sabi ko, the best crackers and breakers ng encryption algorithms without the string or password that encrypted the file, and they will break it using statistics of English, the entropy of English text. So with a breakthrough data compression algorithm, their high compression ratios, understanding of entropy has become different, has improved. So sabi ko, they can employ that in data encryption and cryptography. So meron din akong I think, most probably, if I recall correctly, meron din akong encryption algorithm na binigay in my email sent. And I said, I wasn't an expert, I'm not an expert, pero these are encryption algorithms or encryption algorithm based on understanding of new entropy, information entropy that time, sabi ko.